right? So we have discussed about those things as well. And just to remember, just if you can remember, can you let me know the speciality of O gate and speciality of AND gates? What's the speciality of O gate and what is the speciality of AND gate? Yes? Can you remember? Actually, we have discussed all three. What's the speciality of O gate and what's the speciality of AND gate and what about NO gate? Yes? So can you just remember the special points that we have discussed? Can't you? Yes. What are the special?
AND gate will output 1 only if all the other inputs are 1.
Yes, exactly. Very good. AND gate will output 1 if all the other inputs are 1. So what about OR gate? What about the OR gate? Yes.
OR gate will output 0 if all inputs are 0.
Yes, OR gate will output 0 if all inputs are 0. Yes, AND gate will output 1 if all inputs are 1 and OR gate will output 0 if all inputs are 0. Then what about NOT gate? Yes, what about NOT gate? You can see the truth table of NOT gate. Yes. So what about NOT gate?
It has only one input and one output.
Yes, it has only one input and one output. And what's the specialty? What is the specialty?
It inverts the output.
Yes, it will invert the output. Right? It will invert. So wait, I'll some asking about right. I have sent them the link. Right. Okay. Right. Okay. So let's summarize the things that we have learned. Right. After this, you can write down the summary of this. OR gate will output 1. OR gate will output 1 if all inputs are, sorry, OR gate will output 0. Sorry, my mistake. OR gate will output 0 if all inputs are 0. AND gate will output 1 if all inputs are 1. NOT gate will invert the input. NOT gate will invert the input. So those are the specialties of those three gates: AND gate, OR gate, and NOT gate. Those are the specialties of those three gates. So please write down. Right, what you have to do, Puka, so all of you have to, so some of you are asking links from me time to time, but don't do that because why? Right? So why I'm not asking, so the links are available to you. Links are already available to you at Edmodo. So what you have to do is please create the Edmodo account. So when you create the Edmodo account, you can see all the links appearing there in the Edmodo. Right? Only thing is you have to create that account. So grade 6 students are also doing this. 7 students are also doing this. So why you can't do that, right? Otherwise, it will take time to send the links individually. Each and every time I have to send these links individually. Because you have a group, but you are not joined. So it's not WhatsApp group, right? You have Edmodo group. Please log into your Edmodo and create Edmodo account. So please do this. You can access all the materials, all the lessons, previous lectures, Not only that, all the lessons, previous lectures, as well as all other links in the Edmodo. Right? So please don't ask time to time. So it's really inconvenient because I have to go and just send you the link individually. So please go to this grade 10 English medium. If you are in grade 11, so you can also access grade 10 group because it's free for you. Please access both Edmodo links, and so for an example, let me access. This is grade 10. When you go to grade 10, right, you can see all the recordings, the previous day recordings from day 9, day 1, all the recordings you can see, and you have these quizzes where you have to answer those quizzes, and then go back, and then you can see the registration link. This also somehow not done, the registration. Some of you have not filled this registration form, so in case you will not receive any note, you will not receive any DVD or note. So if you have not filled this, and then here you can see all the links are there. Red 10 singular medium link is there, Zoom link and the password, and Red 10 English medium link and the password. Everything is listed there, so you can access from that. Right. Okay. Right. Let's move. Right. Ravindu, which one you mean, Puta? So you are asking, you are telling about the homework. Which homework you mean? So which one? Yes, assignment, a number systems assignment, right? Number systems assignments. So you can go to, so in the Edmodo one or any, so you have done it in Edmodo or manually? Edmodo, yes. If you have done this in Edmodo, you can go and access and view the marks in the Edmodo. Here, you can just go and access that. When you go to number systems here, you can see your marks, right? You can see your marks. And Majid, run window, your marks. So may I know your name is there? Yeah. How your what's your account name in Edmodo? Can you see your name? I cannot see your name. That's why I'm here. This is a late submission. Right. First tree you have a mark, and these are ungraded, right? These are still not graded. So after we grade this, you can see the marks. Still we have not graded that, right? So that was not marked. Wait, by next week it will be marked. Right. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Right. Let's move. And this was the one we were discussing. So please create the Edmodo account, and that is compulsory. Please create the Edmodo account, and all the links are there, so you can access it from there, right? So I'll ping it to the top, so then you can see the top thing as the link, right? Okay. Next, today what we are going to do is about some combinational logic gates. So please write the heading combinational logic gates. Combinational logic gates. Combinational logic gates. Okay, so if you don't know the class codes of Edmodo, let me show now itself. For grade 10 English medium, this is the class code. Wait. I'll show you. For grade 10 English medium, this is the class code. I'm sending this to your drew. This is for grade 10 English medium. And grade 10 Sinhala medium. If you wish to come to Sinhala medium class, this is the class code for Sinhala medium. You can come to that as well. And if you want to come to grade 11 English medium, please request me the code. I'll send it in grade 11 class. I'll send it in grade 11 class. Right. Let's move. Combinational logic gates. Combinational logic gates can be created by combining the above three gates. Combinational logic gates can be created by combining the above three gates, which means AND gate, OR gate, and NOT gate. Still, I am getting messages. I think it's about the link. Yes. Okay. Combinational logic gates can be created by combining the above three gates. So let's see how we can combine. So for an example, if you combine AND gate with NOT gate, you can create NOR gate. So here you can see this example. So if we combine AND gate with NOT gate, we can create NAND gate. So don't write the Sinhala one, please write the English one only. If you combine like that, so you can create the NAND gate. And this is the NAND gate, and this is the truth table for NAND gate. Okay, so no need to look at the truth table. So can you tell what's the truth table? What is the truth table for AND gate? What is the specialty of AND gate? Yes? Joel, what is the specialty of AND gate? මේක බලන්න එපා. AND gate එකේ විශේෂත්වය මොකක්ද පුතේ? Hello? Joel, ඇහෙනව නේද මං කියන එක?
ඔව් සර්.
මොකක්ද AND gate එකේ විශේෂත්වය පුතේ? What is the specialty of?
මතක නැහැ.
Yeah?
මතක නැහැ නේ සර්.
Okay. Devumi?
It will output 1 if all inputs are 1.
Yes. It will output 1 if all inputs are 1. මතක නැත්තම් ලේසිම ක්‍රමය තමයි මතක තියාගන්න AND gate එක පටන් ගන්න AND gate එක කියන්නේ මොන අකුරද ඉංග්‍රීසි හොඩි? Joel? What is the letter number in English alphabet? And A, letter A is number 1 character, no? Yes, letter A is number 1 character. Letter A කියන්නේ 1 පළවෙනි character එක. එහෙමනම් ඔයාලට මතක තියාගන්න පුළුවන් AND gate එක 1 1 1 කියලා මතක තියාගත්තා නම් හරි. AND තුනට අකුරු තුනට 1 1 1 කියන්නේ all inputs are 1, output will be 1. If all inputs are 1, output will be 1. That is AND gate. Then what about not AND gate එකේ එන එක NOT gate එකකින් යවුවම what will happen? NOT gate will invert that. NOT gate will invert that. හරි AND gate එකෙන් මොකද්ද වෙන්නේ? AND gate එකෙන් 1 1 තියෙනකොට අපිට අරන් දෙනවා 1. NOT gate will invert that. So then what will happen in the NOT gate after combining this? You can see AND gate. If it is 1 and 1, AND will output 1. and මතක තියාගන්න ලේසි විදිය alphabet එකේ පළවෙනි character එක 1. එහෙනම් ඒ අකුර එක විදියට මතක තියාගත්තොත් 1 1 කියන්නේ 1. That is AND gate. 1 1 is 1. But NAND gate it will invert that. එතකොට A1 එක 0 කළා ඉතුරු zeros ඔක්කොම 1 කරන එක තමයි NAND වල වෙන්නේ. Okay. You can draw this as well as write the truth table. Please complete. Quickly complete. Please write this. Then draw the circuit, draw the symbol, and draw the truth table. If you have any doubts, you can ask now. Special point is, if A is the first letter of the alphabet, A is the number 1. So here's the logic. 1 1 is 1. If all inputs are 1, then it will output 1. That is the logic. If all inputs are 1, then the output is 1. So that is AND logic, but NAND will reverse that. 1 0 0 0, it will be 0 1 1. So that is the inversion. Okay, then, so similar to that, you can create this gate. This is called NOR gate. Similar to that, if we combine AND gate, not AND gate, if you combine OR gate with NOT gate, you can create NOR gate. If you combine OR gate with NOT gate, we can create NOR gate. So kindly write down this as well. If you combine OR gate with NOT gate, we can create NOR gate, and this is the NOR symbol. We combine OR gate with NOT gate, we can create NOR gate, and this is the symbols. Simply OR gate, if you can remember OR gate මතක නම් OR gate වල විශේෂත්වය මේ තියෙන්නේ. O කියන්නේ මෙන්න මේ බිඳුව මතක තියාගන්න. දැන් ලේසි විදියක් මම දැන් කියලා දීලා තියෙනවා. AND කියන්නේ එක මතක තියාගන්න. And first letter of the alphabet, it is 1 1 1. එකේ වනම් එකයි. First letter of the alphabet කියලා මතක තියාගන්න. ඉංග්‍රීසි කෝඩේ පළවෙනි අකුර. එකේ ඒවා ගොඩක් නම් එකයි. ඔක්කොම එකේ වනම් එකයි. ඒක තමයි AND logic එක. O gate එකේදී මතක තියාගන්න මේ බිඳු මුල තියෙන O අකුර. O එක බිඳුව වගේනේ. ඒකේදී වෙන්නේ if all are 0, then output will be 0. If all are 0, output will be 0. ඒ විදිහට O එක මතක තියාගන්න. ඉතින් ඒ දෙක මතක තියාගත්තම ඇති. not කොහොමද අනිත් පැත්තනේ? not කියන්නේ no කියන එක තමයි. yes කියන එකේ අනිත් පැත්ත no. not කියන්නේ අනිත් පැත්ත කියන එක. එතකොට මොකක් හරි එකක් අනිත් පැත්ත, මොකක් හරි එකක් ඉස්සරහට එන්න කියනවනම් no කියන්නේ O එකේ අනිත් පැත්ත. NAND කියන්නේ AND එකේ අනිත් පැත්ත. ඔච්චරයි තියෙන්නේ. That is all in your syllabus. You have OR gate, NOT gate, AND gate, NOR gate and AND gate. Okay. OR gate එක බිඳුවනේ ඕනේ. බිඳුව නම් බිඳුවයි. එහෙමනම් NOR gate එක බිඳුව නම් එකයි. අනිත් හැම වෙලාවෙටම එකක් දුන්නා OR gate එක. හැබැයි මේකෙදි අනිත් හැම වෙලේම බිඳුවයි. So please write and draw the truth table quickly. Please write this and draw the truth table quickly. Beginning of the class, right? We discuss about this. Now you can add other 2 points. The 2 points means NOR gate. NOR gate. I'm going to copy the same thing. NOR gate, copy the same thing. So what's the change? We'll output 1 if all inputs are 0. Here's the change. This is the change. And the other one is NAND gate. AND gate. I'm going to copy the AND gate and I'm going to write the same. And here it will become output 0 when all inputs are 1. That is the change. So you can add these two to your note, short note. So OR gate will output 0 if all inputs are 0. This is 0 type of gate. 0 type of gate. I'm going to highlight the letter 0 gate. And AND gate, it is 1 type of gate. AND gate, 1 type of gate. NOT gate, it is no type of gate. So it will reverse. And whatever they are in O and N, it will be reversed by this N. Because NOT will be added. So 0 will become 1 and 1 will become 0. දැන් මෙතන තියෙන O gate 0 වෙලාවට 0 දෙනවා කියන්නේ. no එකේදී 0 වෙලාවට 1 දෙනවා. NAND එකේදී දැන් මේකේ තියෙන්නේ 1 වෙලාවට 1 දෙනවා කියලා. හැබැයි NAND එකේදී 1 වෙලාවට දෙන්නේ 0. Okay, quickly write down these two. The heading, draw logic circuits based on the truth table. Under that, please write down. There are two basic principles. There are two basic principles. From දෙකක් තියෙනවා. There are two basic principles. In the method one, it will consider, obtaining 1 from AND gate. Obtaining 1 from AND gate. Method 2 focuses on obtaining 0 through OR gate. Method 2 focuses on obtaining 0 through OR gate. Right, then method 1. Let's try with method 1. So let's try with method 1. So there are two methods to get. Yeah, there are two basic methods to draw logic circuits. The first method focus obtaining 1 through AND gate. So second method obtaining 0 through OR gate. Okay, so let's say in the first method, I just need 1 from AND gate. Okay, where I need 1 in this green color occurrence. My green color වෙලාවෙදි තමයි මට 1 ඕන. So if I am using AND gate here, let me extend this by adding another column. And if I write AND gate here, A and B, will I be able to get 1 from this AND gate? Will I get 1 from this AND gate? So what is the logic of AND gate? Again. Please remember the logic. What is the logic of AND gate? Hello. ඔගලන්ට මතකයි? Yes. AND gate logic is මොකක්ද? මොකක්ද logic එක? What is the logic of AND gate? Yes. Okay, I'll ask from Anuja. What is the logic of AND gate? Yes.
If input is true, the output is also true.
Yeah. If all are true, output is true. On the other hand, you can say it will output 1 if all inputs are 1. So here, will you be able to get 1 from this AND gate? If I use AND gate here, will I get 1? Devmi, will I get 1?
No, sir.
Why? What's the reason? Why I'm not getting 1?
There is a 0.
There's a 0. Yes, there's a 0. Therefore, I'm not getting 1. There's a 0. Which one is 0? B is 0. Since A is 1, but B is 0, you will not get 1. So what happens if I make this not? I'll make B not. Then what will happen?
Output 1.
Yeah, it will output 1. Because if I make this B a not, then what will happen? So if I make this B not B a not, then what will happen? This B will invert. B is 0. 0 will invert. Then 1 and 1. That will output 1. And that is the first method. So answer for this is A and B not. That is the answer for this. A and B not. Okay, you can write down this. And the answer for this is A and B not. A and B not. B will be inverted to get 1. B will be inverted to get 1. Okay, let's consider about the second method, method 2. Method 2 is useful when you have this kind of thing. Let's say you have 1, 1, 1 and 0. Yeah, something like this. Then you focus on getting 0 from, then you'll focus on getting 0 from this and gate. Sorry, this gate, the last one. Your focus is to get 0. So if I put A or B, will I be able to get that output? If I here, this is your input and this is the output. Okay. If I use A or B, will I get 0 as the output? What is the specialty of OR gate? I'll ask from, okay, this time please, yes, can Lashen tell me? Hello? Hello?